This discussion of what the role of the human driver is in not only driving but also managing failures of equipment that may occur leads to a somewhat different view of the role of the human in a vehicle than the traditional SAE levels. This vehicle automation modes chart sets forth the responsibilities of the ADS with a picture of the car and the human with a picture of the person. It involves 4 different modes. It's important to understand which mode the system is operating in at any given time, and when and under what conditions the ADS is responsible for different types of safety. The first mode is assistive mode, in which the human does the driving, is in charge of driving safety, and is in charge of other safety. The second mode is supervised, in which vehicle automation does the driving, but the human is in charge of driving safety and other safety. For a highly automated vehicle in which there's a true ADS that's in charge of all the vehicle driving, there are 2 modes. One is automated, in which the ADS does the driving and is in charge of driving safety, but the human does other safety. And the other is autonomous, in which the ADS is in charge of not only driving, but also driving safety and other safety. It's important, especially for vehicles that have multiple potential different operating modes, for the human driver and the ADS to both agree on which mode the system is in, and to make sure that the ADS is in charge of the aspects of safety that the human thinks the ADS is actually in charge of. The discussion to this point has been about driving safety, and this chart makes it clear that when you're in automated or autonomous mode, the ADS is entirely in charge of driving safety, and when you're not, then it's on the human. But what about that other safety column? What's going on with that? Well, the difference between automated and autonomous is whether a human occupant of the vehicle or some remote operator owns other safety, or whether the vehicle, the ADS, also owns it. So let's take a look at the kind of things that might be involved in other safety.